Hello subscribers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Ships and Port. Today's news as Korean general cargo ship sank north of Jeju, 8 crew rescued. Korean general cargo ship in the morning Jan 29 suffered massive water ingress in 4 cargo hold area some 4 nanometers southwest of Yeoseo-do Island, Wando County, Southern Korea, while en route from Jeju to Nokdong Port. 8 crew were rescued by Wando Maritime Rescue and Coast Guard. The ship sank at 0832 Seoul time, shortly after the crew were rescued. Understood its general cargo ship Samsung No. 1, IMO 8,405,945, DWT 4250, built 1984, flag Korea, but ship's ID isn't yet confirmed.